Good morning, our students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Our students, today I shall discuss with you about properties of parallelograms. In first property is result 1. Prove that in a parallelogram the opposite sides are equal. 2. The opposite angles are equal. 3. The diagonals bisect each other. Students, first of all, draw a diagram of parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Let A, B, C, D prove let A, B, C, D be a parallelogram. Let A, B, C, D be a parallelogram. Then let A, B, C, D be a parallelogram. Then to prove that one, the opposite sides are equal. That means AB equal to CD and BC equal to DA. Proof 2. The opposite angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. 3 diagonals bisect each other. So diagonal AC and BD diagonals meet at a point O. So OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Now proof 1. Proof 1. Meet diagonals AC. Meet diagonal AC. So in triangle, diagonal divide parallelogram ABCD in two triangle. Triangle ABC and triangle ACD. So in triangle ABC and triangle ACD, diagonal divide angle A into two angle and angle C also into two angle. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. So angle 2 equal to angle 2 equal to angle 2 equal to angle 4 by alternate interior angles. Angle 3 equal to angle 1. It is also by alternate interior angle. And AC is common. AC equal to AC. AC equal to AC. Common. Now that implies triangle A, B, C, congruent triangle ACD. Condition angle side angle side angle. Therefore, when triangle ABC congruent triangle ACD, then corresponding sides are equal. So AB, that implies AB equal to CD and BC equal to DA. Proved. Proved. Right? Now proof 2. Proof 2 is opposite angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle C. Proof 2. Triangle ABC, congruent triangle ACD. Just prove. Just prove. Triangle ABC, congruent triangle ACD. So that implies angle B equal to angle D. Opposite corresponding angles, if two triangles are congruent, then corresponding angles are equal. So angle B equal to angle D. Similarly, if joint diagonal BD, then triangle ABD congruent triangle BCD. So angle A equal to angle C. Angle A equal to angle C. Proved. Now proof 3. Diagonals bisect each other. Proof 3. Diagonal bisect each other. Draw a parallelogram A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D. Join diagonal AC and BD. Meet a point O. Name this angle is 1, this angle 2, and this angle 3, and this angle 4. So AB equal to CD. Opposite sides are equal, just to. Angle 1 equal to angle 3, angle 2 equal to angle 4. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD, triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle 1 equal to angle 3 by alternate interior angles. Angle 2 equal to angle 4 also by alternate interior angles, and AB equal to CD. Opposite sides are equal. Just prove. just proved. Therefore, triangle AOB, triangle AOB congruent triangle COD by angle side angle, angle side angle, angle side angle, angle side angle. That implies if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding elements are equal, their corresponding sides are equal, their corresponding angles are equal. So OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. This proved that diagonals bisect each other. Proved. Understand and write it. Students, next is result 2. In this result, prove that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. Prove that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. First of all, draw a figure of a rectangle. ABCD be a rectangle. AC and BD is diagonal. Diagonals bisect each other at point O. Let ABCD be a rectangle. Let ABCD be a rectangle and in which its diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at point O. At point O. To prove that one, diagonals are equal. So AC equal to BD. And proof 2, diagonals bisect each other. So OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. So proof 1. Proof 1 is it's a rectangle divided into two figures. First is A, B, C. Meet it. And second figure is here D, A, B. Angle B equal to angle A right angle. BC equal to DA. Because rectangle is also a parallelogram, the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. AB equal to AB common. So write in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle, in triangle ABC and triangle BAD and triangle BAD. First of all, BC equal to A, BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD, opposite side, opposite sides. Angle B equal to angle A. Each angle is 90 degree, equal to 90 degree. AB equal to AB, common. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle BAD. That implies AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD. True. Write it. Now proof 2. Proof 2 is diagonals bisect each other. So here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. IAB equal to CD, opposite side. So write in triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Alternate interior angles. And AB equal to CD. Opposite sides are equal. And angle 2 equal to angle 4 also. Alternate interior angles. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent triangle COD. Congruent triangle COD. That implies if two triangles are congruent, then corresponding sides are equal. So OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Proved. Right? Students, now result 3. Prove that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So result 3. Prove that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So let ABCD be a rhombus. Let ABCD be a rhombus. Rhombus, its diagonals its diagonals bisect each other at point O. At point O. To prove that to prove that to prove that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. 1 OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. 2 at right angle. So angle AOB equal to angle BOC equal to angle COD equal to angle DOA equal to 90 degree. So first proof 1. First proof 1. First proof 1. Diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So here let angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. All sides are equal. We know that the sides of rhombus are equal. So proof 1. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Alternate interior angles. Angle 2 equal to angle 4. Also alternate interior angles. AB equal to CD. Sides of rhombus are equal. So sides. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent triangle COD. That implies OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD proved. Write it. Now proof 2. In proof 2, Diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So here AB equal to BC and OB equal to OD. So write in triangle AOB, write in triangle AOB, in triangle AOB and triangle BOC. In triangle AOB and triangle BOC. AB equal to BC. Sides of rhombus are equal. Sides. And OA, this diagonal, OA equal to OC. OA equal to OC. Just proved. Diagonals bisect each other. And OB equal to OB. Common. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent triangle BOC, side by side condition. Now angle AOB equal to angle BOC. Angle AOB equal to angle BOC. Angle AOB plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree by linear pair. By linear pair. That implies angle AOB equal to angle BOC equal to 180 degree by 2. Equal to 90 degree. Similarly, angle BOC equal to angle COD equal to angle DOA equal to 90 degree. Proved. Right? Students, today your homework is revise and remember results. Thank you.